Are you dreaming of longer, thicker, and healthier hair? While genetics play a role, incorporating the right natural oils into your hair care routine can be a game changer. These botanical powerhouses are packed with essential nutrients, fatty acids, and antioxidants that nourish the scalp, strengthen hair follicles, and promote growth, so ditch the harsh chemicals and embrace the power of nature. Here are some of the best natural oils for hair growth you should definitely try. 1. Rosemary oil. The stimulating scalp savior, rosemary oil is a beloved choice for its potent ability to stimulate blood circulation in the scalp. This increased blood flow delivers vital nutrients to the hair follicles, encouraging growth and potentially even combating hair loss. Studies have shown its effectiveness can rival conventional treatments. Simply mix a few drops with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba and massage it into your scalp for a few minutes before washing. 2. Coconut oil. The deep conditioning champion, this versatile oil is a staple for many, and for good reason. Coconut oil penetrates the hair shaft deeply, moisturizing and reducing protein loss. This is crucial for preventing breakage and promoting overall hair health, leading to stronger, longer strands. Use it as a pre-wash treatment, deep conditioner, or even a leave-in for dry ends. Due to its thickness, it's best mixed with a lighter carrier oil like almond or grapeseed oil. 3. Jojoba oil. The scalp-friendly hydrator, jojoba oil closely resembles the natural sebum produced by our scalp, making it an excellent moisturizer. It helps balance oil production, preventing dryness and excess oiliness. Its lightweight texture makes it suitable for all hair types. Apply a few drops to your scalp and hair to hydrate and add shine. 4. Argan oil, the repairing and strengthening agent, often dubbed liquid gold. Argan oil is rich in antioxidants, vitamin E, and fatty acids. It helps repair damaged hair, reduce frizz, and add shine. Its nourishing properties strengthen the hair shaft, minimizing breakage and promoting healthy growth. Use it as a serum on damp or dry hair. 5. Castor oil, the thickening and strengthening treatment, known for its thick consistency. Castor oil is packed with ricinoleic acid, which is believed to improve blood circulation to the scalp and stimulate hair growth. It can also strengthen hair follicles and reduce breakage. How to incorporate oils into your routine. Scalp massages. Regular scalp massages with these oils can stimulate blood circulation and promote hair growth. Pre-shampoo treatments. Apply the oil to your hair an hour or two before shampooing for deep conditioning. Leave-in conditioners. A small amount of oil can tame frizz and add shine. DIY hair masks. Combine different oils with other ingredients like honey or avocado for customized hair treatments. Remember to patch test. Before applying any new oil to your entire scalp, do a patch test to check for any allergic reactions. Choose quality. Opt for pure, cold-pressed, and unrefined oils for the best results. Be patient. Hair growth takes time. Consistency and patience are key to seeing results. By incorporating these natural oils into your hair care routine, you can pave the way for stronger, healthier, and longer hair. Embrace the power of nature and unlock your hair's full potential. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, so I can create more helpful tips. Thank you.